I'm now introducing the motion, Madam Chair.
I second, Madam Chair.
To terminate the consideration of the budget of the Vice President, Madam Chair, on the basis of the long and time-honored tradition, Madam Chair. In order for us to respect a tradition in the same manner that we have respected the tradition here, that the first to interpolate every time is the member of the minority. That is the tradition. We have not yet discarded that. We're observing that because we are honorable members of this Congress. So the question is, why have we discarded that tradition? Is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? If we are not able to do that, Madam Chair, then I honorably, respectfully now move to terminate consideration of the budget of the office of the Vice President, and I so move.
Second, Madam Chair.
Thank you.
Madam Chairman, Madam Chair, Madam Chair,
Move and seconded.
Session suspended.
So ang pinag-uusapan po natin, wala na po ba yung respeto sa tradisyon na yun? Kagaya po ng binabanggit ko, every time mag-interpolate po dito, Madam Chair, because of that tradition, it's always the member of the minority who will start the interpellation because we have kept that tradition. Ang dami po. Ang dami ko pang sasabihin sa inyo, haba lang tayo. So the question is, when we did that to the Vice President earlier, now we're doing it now, are we now setting aside this tradition? That's number one question. Number two, is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition?
Your Honor, short answer is no to both questions.
Okay. If that is the answer, Madam Chair, and we are all bound to respect one tradition so sacred in our hearts, because we are called honorables in this House. We cannot be honorables if we cannot honor our own tradition. We are defined by what we believe as a tradition in this House. So if we are now all amenable that we have kept that tradition, no longer questions are being asked, then I will respectfully move, Madam Chair, to move to terminate the budget of the OVP for 2025.
I object, Madam
Thank
Chair.
you.
I object.
Madam Chair,
There's a motion to terminate the budget briefing of the OVP, but there's an objection, so we divide the House. The chair has decided to divide the House. So those
Madam Chair,
in favor of the
as a
motion,
rule, we usually deliberate before we vote.
those in favor of the motion, please raise your hand. Those in favor of the motion to terminate the budget briefing of the OVP, please raise your hand. Those who are not in favor of terminating, raise your hand. Three in favor, 45 against. The motion is lost.
Madam Chair, I thought we have kept the tradition. The tradition is no longer ask any question. That was the tradition. So why are we voting against the motion?
The majority of the will is always respect.
It's inconsistent with the tradition that we have already agreed to observe.
So we will
Yes, Madam
proceed
Chair,
to the next.
you mentioned earlier that we will keep up the tradition. You said no. Earlier, now we will
Mr. James, I remind the members to please wait to be recognized before speaking. So, the chair now recognizes the budget sponsor, the Honorable Zia Adyong, to give a recap of what transpired in the last hearing.
Para sa may init na balita sa